Hello everyone, let's continue talking about the key features of the GameLog System plugin for Unreal Engine 5. The plugin allows you to conveniently display, detail, pause, clear, and record all the information you're interested in. Clear logs. This function allows you to quickly clear the log for easier tracking of application activity. However, the logging system lets you restore the entire log and continue working with the full log. Clear filters. Clears all selected filters only on the current tab. All your filter settings are preserved on other tabs, allowing for flexible log exploration. Auto scroll. You can allow or disable automatic log scrolling. This helps you stay exactly where you need to be in the log. Receive logs is the ability to enable or disable the reception of new log entries. When this feature is enabled, new logs are automatically added to the logging system. If it is disabled, the system stops receiving and displaying new log entries, which can be useful when you need to pause the log stream for analyzing current data. Autosave layout is a feature that automatically saves the current layout and settings of the log display interface within the active tab. This includes elements such as window arrangement, selected filters, and other user settings. Copy displayed logs. Saves only the log data currently displayed on the screen. Copy full logs. Copies the log data for the entire session. In the next video, you will learn about the key settings of the GameLog System plugin.